In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Dashlane Autofill. Whether you're trying to maintain more privacy while browsing or simply wish to enter information manually, temporarily, or permanently, disabling Dashlane's autofill feature can be quite useful. Let's walk through this process step by step to make it straightforward and easy to follow. To begin, open the browser where you have the Dashlane extension installed. This extension typically sits near the top right corner of your browser alongside your other extensions. If you're not seeing it, check the extension area to ensure it's visible and enabled. Once you've located the Dashlane icon, go ahead and click on it. This action will open up the Dashlane web extension interface, where you'll be able to adjust various settings. Now that you have the Dashlane interface up, you're going to want to look for the autofill section. The autofill option is usually directly accessible from this main menu because it's a core function of the Dashlane service. Clicking on autofill will direct you to the settings relevant to managing how Dashlane handles form and login information automatically across different sites. In this part of the process, you'll next want to locate the global preferences. This area contains overarching settings that impact how Dashlane works as a whole, so it's crucial to make sure you're in the right place. The global preferences will allow you to configure several aspects of Dashlane's behavior, including the autofill functionality. In order to disable the autofill feature, focus your attention on the sliders associated with autofill for logins and forms. Each of these sliders is independent, so you have the flexibility to disable one or both based on your needs. Slide the corresponding slider to the off position for both logins and forms. Doing this will turn off Dashlane's automatic filling of information, giving you full control when entering data into forms online. Once you've adjusted these settings, Dashlane will no longer autofill information for websites, meaning passwords, personal data, and form details won't automatically appear without your manual input. This setup is essential for tailoring your browsing experience to better match your personal preferences, whether because of privacy concerns or the desire to manage the information you enter manually. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to turn off Dashlane's autofill capability. Remember, if you need to switch it back on, you can reverse these steps at any time by returning to the same settings and sliding the options back to the on position whenever you're ready for autofill to take over again. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.